हाय गाइस व्हाट्स अप एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज का वीडियो जो है वाज अ रियली अनप्लान्ड वीडियो। मैं सो रही थी तो आई सडनली थॉट कि यार अभी मेरे पास 3-4 दिन है विच आई कैन send to waste like that only, and so yeah, why not film YouTube content in this week? And I came up with this idea कि ये वाला vlog shoot करते हैं. So now I am ready for going to the grocery store. There's a big easy day वाला जो store होता है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, वहाँ जाना है मुझे because I always wanted to buy groceries. एंड मैं कभी जा नहीं पाती थी. आई ऑलवेज एंडेड अप बाइंग इट ऑनलाइन, बट ग्रोसरी स्टोर में जाके चीज़ें उठा के डालने का ना अलग ही एक सीन होता है, अलग ही एक सिस्टम है उसका. एंड आई टोटली लव इट. सो अभी आई हैव डन माई स्किन केयर, अप्लाइड माई सनस्क्रीन, बट आई हैवंट done anything with my hair. It's too hot in Delhi right now, and I think it will be in a bun. And yeah, then we'll go. Let's get started. All ready. I've taken my sanitizer and everything, and now we'll just get going because बहुत गर्मी है, मुझे जल्दी घर वापस भी आना है. Bye. The grocery store didn't have much of a collection, but I bought a bunch of stuff which I'll show you at home. Now I'm gonna go to stationery to buy some stationery things. Let's go. So I'm back from the market and it was too hot there, and I bought a bunch of stuff which I am gonna show you because people would think कि कौन दिखाता है grocery का सामान ये सब. But as much as I love watching these kind of videos, I really wanted to shoot this also. So I'm going to show you now. I bought Lay's, and Lay's. I bought 4 Lay's, and these are all blue except green because I love blue Lay's. Blue Lay's I have been eating since my childhood, and I bought this Ching's ka veg Hakka noodles because I really wanted to try it. This dark soya sauce from Ching's, and I bought some chocolates. This two munches and 2 Kit Kats. Here it is because I was really craving chocolate. पता नहीं क्यों. ऐसे I do not like chocolates, but पता नहीं क्यों chocolate खाने का मन कर रहा था तो I bought it. And another Ching's, and I bought sheets. This sheets for my college thing, and yeah, that's what all I got. And yeah, now I'm gonna take some rest and I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, this is 5 o'clock right now, and I took some rest and now I'm here so that I can complete this video. I did some time pass on my nails, and what I did is I applied a grey nail paint. उसके बाद I saw this hack on Instagram जहाँ पे एक लड़की ने पर्पल नेल पेंट लगाया था. Then she used a bobby pin, and then she made 4 dots from white nail paint, and then put a yellow one in that, and it looked like a flower, and it was really pretty. So I thought कि चलो मैं भी करती हूँ, but I do not have a white nail paint and I had it in yellow. But उसके बाद you can see कि कैसी हालत हो गई इनकी. बट आई काइंडा लाइक इट. सिर्फ इस वाली उंगली का आई थोड़ा लाइक इट, बाकी सबका इज़ अ कंप्लीट डिज़ास्टर बिकॉज आई डिडंट use the appropriate pin. I used a bobby pin for doing it. So nevertheless, so I wanted to just say today is Saturday, and on Wednesday I posted a story that I wanted on Instagram that I do not want to be here right now. I just wanted to take a break, and some of my friends and I got some of the DMs that what happened, is everything all right and everything. So I thought I should address this into this video, and I want to say that everything is all right at my place, everything is great, but सिर्फ इतना था कि I wanted to take a break. I haven't taken a break from the longest time, and ब्रेक का ऐसा था कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माई एग्जाम्स वर गोइंग ऑन. आई थॉट कि एग्ज़ाम्स के बीच में ब्रेक लेती हूँ, बट उसके बाद क्या होता है, आई हैव अ सीरियस फोमो कि इंस्टाग्राम का, अ सीरियस फोम ऑफ इंस्टाग्राम. सो तब मैं नहीं कर सकती. मतलब पीपल आर देयर हु अनइंस्टॉल इंस्टाग्राम एंड एवरीथिंग, बट आई कैन नॉट डू दैट. मेरे से नहीं हो पाता है. सो आई थॉट कि एग्ज़ाम्स के बाद आई वुड डू दैट. एंड एग्ज़ाम्स मेरे ट्यूसडे को नहीं, वेंसडे को ही ख़त्म हुए. एंड वेंसडे को आई थॉट कि आई शुड पोस्ट द स्टोरी अप on Instagram. So I wanted to give priority to those things जो मैंने आज तक कभी नहीं दी, जिन चीज़ों को, कि like taking care of myself, like pampering myself and taking care of my hair. सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ी चीज़, क्योंकि I never take care of my hair, इसलिए they are so like झाड़ू. And they are really thin because of my PCOD and stuff, which is another story which I do not want to go into right now. And I wanted to give priority to YouTube because I have very much written things in my diary कि मुझे क्या क्या करना है, क्या क्या नहीं करना about YouTube. And I really wanted to execute those things, but due to exams and all and पूरा college का stuff, I couldn't do it. So I thought कि अगर मैं ये 4 दिन का break ले रही हूँ तो I should really focus on YouTube and make as much content as I can. So I have made some videos and I'm uploading them धीरे धीरे. So today, आज शाम को भी I have one video planned जो मैं आज बनाने वाली हूँ. So yeah, I had these the most amazing 4 days. I ate a lot. I ate endlessly, and I did really cool stuff also, like doing this weird thing, watching TV. मैं TV कभी नहीं देखती थी, but watching TV and friends on TV, and this is the best feeling ever. So बहुत चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो मैं कभी नहीं करती थी, बट इन 4 दिनों में I lived my life to the fullest. मैं अब हर चीज़ का कैमरा उठा के क्लिप, मतलब फ़ोन उठा के क्लिप नहीं ले सकती थी, क्योंकि when I'm enjoying, I'm not supposed to, और आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू थिंग्स लाइक दैट कि बीच में कैमरा उठाया और अपना चालू हो गई मैं. जब आई थिंक कि टाइम है तब मैं ऐसा करती हूँ, बीच में ऐसा कभी नहीं करती मैं, बिकॉज देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स विच आई नीड टू फॉलो अकॉर्डिंग टू माई प्रिंसिपल्स एंड माई रूल्स इन माई लाइफ. So whenever I feel the need to pick up my phone and shoot something, so I do it. So yeah, this was a really fun video to shoot, and I was missing in action from Instagram, but now I'll be back from Monday, and I have made some reels also earlier which I'll be posting. So yeah, I think this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, so do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And you guys stay safe and take care of your mental health as much as you can. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.